Hey there, it's Peachy. I'm just gonna try these two drinks from Charley's. One is the mango and one is the strawberry. And since I already know that I'm gonna like it's called Charley's cheese steaks and wings. I'm not paid for this. I just want to try it. They have the limited time mango version, and I already know that I'm gonna like the strawberries, so I'm gonna try the mango. That's good. It's got lemonade in there and mangoes. And the mango's kind of subtle, but it's really good. Let me try again. Yep, would recommend. I'll just use this one. And down it goes. Strawberry tastes exactly how I would expect it. But between the two, I think I like the strawberry more because it integrates more with the drink. Whereas the mango, it's subtle and it's really good. But I think I like the strawberry the best. So that's it for now. I'll talk later. Bye.